Jones here with Millie.
Hi, everybody.
So excited to have you back on the show. I know these guys will be excited to have you back on the show too, especially because today we're doing something that's so Millie.
Woo!
What's the plan, Stan?
We're gonna paint some stuff on these pieces of newspaper or newsprint, and we're gonna cut them out and stick them up around town at our favorite spots. We're gonna use this handy dandy homemade glue stuff. So we're making what's called a wheat paste. This is what it looks like.
It looks
I made it myself.
like a bunch of mayonnaise.
But yeah, it's just literally flour and water mixed together, and basically Indy and I are gonna make giant stickers.
Oh.
So yeah, sticker party.
Got some things made here. So I have, this is my favorite, a roller skate with some stars, and then we have skate heart, we have shine on sun, and the skate monster. Ooh. Ah, so cute.
A roller skate with eyeballs.
Ah, so cute.
And then I'm working on Mr. Moons over here.
Mr. Moon.
Mr. Moons.
When are you like, oh, I need to go do that? I don't know. You just wake up wanting to draw?
Pretty much. It's funny, I was like literally just talking to my neighbor about this. She like walked across to get her mail, and we started talking about how she sews as like a cathartic experience. And for me, when I wake up in the morning, I have to draw because it's kind of like a filter for my brain. Like what it does is it allows me to relax and kind of turn everything off for a second, a lot like roller skating.
Or meditation, it sounds like.
Yeah.
I mean, people describe roller skating as meditation too. So.
It's absolutely the same thing. I think making art and skating, the reason why I embrace them so much in my life is because they give me exactly the same feeling. It's weird because kind of like how in skating, when everything becomes your playground, and suddenly you're looking at like that 3-stair in front of the church, or like that random ledge, or that weird slopey part on someone's garage, like as a skatable object, all of a sudden you're looking at all of these different parts of buildings or like areas that a lot of people can see, that like people could potentially interact with whatever you decide to put there. The world opens up more, and like you're scouting for that other thing, like, oh, what can I put here? What can I make to put here?
So we're gonna post these in places around Long Beach where if you're skating the beach path or if you're skating near the shop, maybe you'll see some of these wheat pastes. So if you do and you take a picture, be sure to tag us at
Roller Wheaties.
Roller Wheaties. We'll put the tag right here. And actually the first person to tag us using that hashtag and Planet Roller Skate will get a free Planet Roller Skate t-shirt. Ah! I made one! So what we're doing may be slightly illegal. So, you know, just respect your city. Do it with love, and do it when nobody's watching.
Oh, dude.
So we gotta come back and fix it later. They come off with water. Don't be mad at us. All right, the final wheat paste of the night. Roller skate. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate. Thank you, Millie, for taking us on roller weedy adventures. If you're ever in Long Beach, be sure to grab a pic with one of the roller weedies that we've put up if they're still there. You know, fingers crossed they'll last a bit. Hashtag Planet Roller Skate, hashtag roller weedies.
Hashtag roller weedies.
Yeah. Be sure to check out planetrollerskate.shop for any of your roller skating needs. And until next time, later skaters.